All right, y'all, welcome back to Philly D's Garage. So real quick, I got a review for y'all. It's Dewalt 20 volt brushless orbital sander. Man, that's a lot, right? So I've had this now for probably over 2 months now, 3 months. So I can give y'all an honest review on how good this thing is. It's a beast. I did a couple projects with it already, and for how small it is, this thing it covers like a lot of space. So and it with this little exhaust it has, this thing doesn't allow the all the smoke and dust to get in your face. So that's a nice touch that they put on there. And it is electric, so I got the battery over here. So it is electric, so being as though it's electric, you can basically take this thing wherever you want to take it. And that's the reason why I went with the electric. I mean, that's a big plus right there, yo. Like, you could just take this thing anywhere, any room. You don't have to worry about a cord, dragging a cord and all that shit. But to have that conveniency, it is a little pricey. So I believe I paid like $180 off of Amazon. So I don't know if this is too dark for you guys or what, but so I did pay $180 off of Amazon. So I don't know if that's a little too expensive for a sander or not, because I never had one. This is actually my first sander I've ever had. So I got it plugged in. So let's turn it on. I don't want to mess up this wood, but hold on. But there you go. Dust in there because I've been using it. So, and again, when you guys buy something like this, you gotta get the pads for it too. I think Amazon had like a whole kit that was sitting right next to it. I think I paid like $8 for this whole box, and it's all different grades of sanding. So yeah, man. So you got your power button here, on and off, and then you got your variable switch here where you can turn the speed up, down, however fast you want to go. But just make sure you don't turn it all the way up unless you know you got you're stable with this gun, man, because this thing can go kind of crazy if you ain't got control of it, and you can sit there and burn through or scrape through whatever you're working on. So just be careful with how fast you got this thing up. All right, I done did a couple projects with it, and this thing is crazy. It don't take that long to charge up, and a lot of reviews were saying that the exhaust is not that good, like holding all the dust in. So they was like recommending doing some aftermarket tubing and some other shit. I don't know what it was, but this thing actually works fine for me, so ain't no problem there. So the part number on this is DCW210, but that's just for the tool only. And then the kit itself is DCW210D1. That's for the kit, which is with this tool, this little bag, and the tool itself and the battery. So that's what you'll get in that kit. So yeah, y'all, honest review, man. This thing, I mean, it does everything that we wanted it to do. So it's a good tool to have around the house. If you got a lot of projects that you want to do, or small projects, this thing is perfect right here, yo. So there you go, quick review. Something a little different, because I don't use something like this every day, automotive wise. So something a little different for y'all to check out. But go ahead, y'all, like the video, comment below, and I'll check you on the next one. Bonus footage. All right, y'all. Y'all know I had to give y'all a little bit of bonus footage, man. But anyway, So this is how it looks when it's on a charger. I realized that I didn't tell y'all about the charger, but this is the charger right here. Basically tells you, you know, what's going on with your battery with all these indicators. And it's gonna blank red while it's charging, and it's gonna turn green when it's done charging. So that's how it looks while it's on a charger. There's an indicator. It'll tell you that it's fully charged or not charged at all. So I just realized I don't even have to charge it. So I went to charge it. It don't even need to be charged. So there you go. There's a battery indicator on this battery. It's 20 volt battery. So there you guys go.